guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another tips from Tiffany. So today's tip is going to be about perfumes and body sprays and stuff of that nature. So ladies and gentlemen, we all want to smell nice. We all want to smell good. We don't want that nasty BO following us around, but please take it a little easy on the perfumes and the body sprays and the deodorants. My mother used to laugh at us because we would have, grapefruit smelling shampoo and baby powder smelling deodorant and then this really strong smelling perfume or body spray. She said we walked around smelling like a fruit basket. My grandmother used to not go into candle stores, and she would say that all the different smells gave her a headache, and I could never understand why. And now as I'm getting older, the smells, they tend to trigger headaches and runny noses and stuff like that. So I'm starting to understand more and more why my grandmother never went into the candle stores or Bath and Body Works or anything like that. So just take it easy on the perfumes and the body sprays and colognes and stuff like that. Everybody's there trying to enjoy their vacation, the shows. Chris and I went into a show one night, and the lady next to us, she was a very sweet lady, nice lady, but she had so much perfume on that by the time the show even started, I was getting a migraine. You could smell her rose down. Don't be that person that everybody knows where you've been because of where the perfume smell is. I work with a lady that you can always tell where she's been in the office because her perfume lingers. One spray, maybe two, just, be careful because it could affect people with their allergies or trigger migraines or anything like that. So I'm not trying to offend anybody. I know we don't want to walk around with the body odor, the bad body odor, but you gotta be careful about how much you use. I'm very self-conscious of it now because of my mother and my grandmother. So just a quick tip, not trying to hurt anybody's feelings or offend anybody, so please don't take it that way. But if there are any tips out there that you would like to talk about, let me know in the comments, and I can definitely look into those. And hope y'all have a great rest of your weekend and a great week. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.